pork, green beans, carrots and apples. Ingredients: 1½ to 2 pounds pork chops thick, about 3/4 inches, trimmed of any fat. 2 cups carrots largely chopped, 1-inch pieces. 2 cups green beans tough ends removed. 3 apples such as Granny Smith or McIntosh, cored and cut into 1-inch thick wedges. 1 cup chicken stock fat-free, and low sodium, substitute vegetable stock or pork stock. For the marinade: 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1/4 cup soy sauce low sodium, substitute shoyu or coconut aminos. 1/4 tablespoon dried rosemary. 1/4 tablespoon dried oregano. ½ tablespoon dried thyme. 2 cloves garlic finely chopped. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons maple syrup or honey. 1 tablespoon black pepper freshly ground. Directions: mix the marinade in a large bowl, and add the pork chops, tossing to coat. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Place pork chops in a hot pan on the stovetop and sear both sides, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes over high heat on each side, until just the outside of each pork chop is browned. Remove the pork chops from the pan. Add the marinade to the hot pan and scrape the bottom for any bits. Add the stock and vegetables to the slow cooker, and place the meat on top. Cook on low for 4 to 6 hours, until the pork chops are cooked through and vegetables are tender.